Hey guys, I thought I would pop on here and do a little bit of extended e-learning day one with you guys to try to help out. I know your moms and dads are super busy with doing a lot of work and keeping you guys entertained over this time. So I thought we could do some of this stuff together, just like we would if we were in the classroom. So extended e-learning day one, which is where you have your new e-learning menu, and it looks something like this. So this is your reading one, and so for reading, what I want us to do is the one I'm going to choose to do today. You have to do 2 each day. So first, I want to start with retell the story of the 3 little pigs to a family member. Draw a picture of the setting and label your picture. So it's been a little bit since we read the 3 little pigs, so I thought I'd pop on to do a reading of the 3 little pigs with you guys, and then you'll be able to talk with your family about the 3 little pigs and draw a picture. So here's the 3 little pigs. We are going to read through it just like we would in the classroom. All right, the 3 little pigs. All right, so the author, this is a retelling, and a retelling on the front cover of our book, it also means the author. So who is the author? What does the author do in a story? Think about that for a second. It's been a minute since we've got to do this, but what does the author do? Yeah, the author is the person who writes the words. Now, it says illustrated by, and the author of this book was Violet Finley, and it's illustrated by Kiko Montoyama. Hope I'm saying that right. It's illustrated by this person. So what is the illustrator? Who is the illustrator? The illustrator draws the pictures. So that's what the illustrator of a story will do. So it says, the 3 little pigs. Once upon a time, there lived 3 little pigs. One day, each pig decided to build a house to keep safe from the big, bad wolf. You see, the wolf loved to eat little pigs. The first pig built a cozy house out of straw, but the big, bad wolf huffed and puffed, and he blew that house down. Quick as a wink, the first little pig ran away before he became breakfast. The second little pig built a cozy house out of sticks. But the big bad wolf huffed and puffed, and he blew that house down. Quick as a wink, the second little pig ran away before he became lunch. The third little pig built a cozy house of bricks. He invited the 2 other pigs to live with him. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed and huffed and puffed, but he just could not blow the brick house down. I'm coming down the chimney to eat you for dinner, said the wolf. Please do, said the pigs sweetly. You see, they had put a pot of very hot stew at the bottom of the chimney. When the wolf came down the chimney, he landed right in the pot. Ouch, 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 he yelled. Then, quick as a wink, he dashed out the door and ran far, far, far away. After that, the 3 little pigs lived safe and sound in their cozy house of bricks, and the big bad wolf never bothered them again. The end. All right, so let's think about this. Our e-learning task asked us to retell the story. So we know that a good storyteller, when they're retelling a story, is going to say the beginning, the middle, the end. We're going to include our characters. We're going to include the setting. We might even talk about the problem and the solution. So when you're starting to tell your family member about it, I hope you say, in the beginning of the story, and you tell them what happens, and then you say, in the middle of the story, and tell them what happens, and then you say, at the end of the story. Now, it also asks you to write about the setting of this book. So we know that the setting of a book is where it takes place. So where does this take place? We have a lot of settings in this book. You have a lot of different houses that the pigs build, but they kind of all take place in one area. So if you want, for your setting, you could draw a picture of the setting, and then you could have the 3 different houses, so that way we know that it took place in 3 different houses, right? I can't wait to see the work you turn in. I hope this is a little bit helpful for you guys for your e-learning day. I'm going to do a couple more videos. Talk to y'all soon. See you soon. Love you.